Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan nuggets. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil ready. Now, let's create the perfect nugget base. Start by mashing your drained chickpeas in a medium bowl until they are mostly smooth, but a few small chunks are fine. Next, add the flour, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt to the mashed chickpeas. Pour in the plant-based milk and olive oil. Mix everything together thoroughly until a firm, workable dough forms, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and cook these delicious nuggets. Take small portions of the dough, about 1 tablespoon each, and gently shape them into classic nugget forms. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the shaped nuggets into the hot oil and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your homemade vegan nuggets are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like barbecue ketchup or a creamy vegan ranch. These crispy, flavorful nuggets are perfect as a quick snack, a fun appetizer, or even as a main course. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.